Hey, I'm Matt. I'm currently in the process of restoring a 1974 K20 Corolla, and I figured I'd make a video sequence on YouTube of me restoring it and also working on my current daily, which is a patrol. I'm not currently going to restore the 20 as a showroom condition or anything like that. I'm building it purely for a daily, but I'm still going to make it look nice. Yeah, this is my K20, which I have named Giselle, being Japanese, and Fast and Furious, why not? So when I got the car, it had less panels on it, which I've reattached and realigned. Most of it's all there. I changed the steering wheel, still got the original one, and I basically put all like door handles and stuff like that, made it so the car will actually open and close. I've actually got a window. This didn't come with a window. I still got to install it because I need to fabricate a join so it will fit on the what's it called? Anyway, fit on the window. It's got a complete dash which is cracked, but I'm going to replace that. I'm going to attempt to reupholster the seats myself, the worst being the driver's seat, some on that, on the passenger, and the rear's not too bad. I still need a few more parts such as seat belts and stuff like that and a couple interior panels, but most of it's all there. And yeah, I'm going to attempt everything myself, including the panel work, getting rid of any rust, and yeah, pretty much it. I'm going to even attempt to paint it, give it all a go myself first. If not, if I can't do it, I will most likely pay someone else to do it then. The car currently has the stock motor in it. I got that, needs a bit of a clean up. I just placed it on just so I will be able to hold it. Just give me a second. That is a stock holder for the bonnet. This is stock 3K. It does run run very rough. Probably needs retiming, so I'll do that as well. I plan on cleaning it all up. It's got a new battery. I'll replace the radiator with a new one, give it all fresh fluids, rebuild the carby, or even possibly put on a different one, such as a Weber. Just clean it all up. When I did get it, the brakes did not work. I found out that when I pulled off the wheels and all that, the passenger side front brake didn't have any fluid coming to it, so I forced a bleed through it, and now they work. But yeah, essentially majority of the worst rust is actually in the passenger door, which is actually all under here. Now I've got a spare door I'm going to practice to weld on first. That I actually got in my patrol at the moment. I got that from a panel shop, just from a scrap bin, which they allowed me to have. So thank you to them. But I'm going to basically cut that up, practice welding with a MIG welder, just so when it comes to time to do my rust repairs on this, it will work. I did find out that, where's the light on this? Yeah. The fuel tank does have a small leak just at the bottom, so I have to end up pulling that all out and basically either re-weld it or get a new one or a good second-hand one. I managed to source tail lights for both of them. This one currently does not have the globe holder in it, but I did manage to source one of them, plus the reflectors on the side, as they are also missing them. So yeah, overall, should be a good project, and I guess if you want to watch, you can join me on my journey. The last time I worked on the car was a few weeks ago, and that's when I had it running, but it was running rough, and it did start, but I'm not sure if it'll start today because it has been a few weeks, but we'll give it a go. Make sure clutch works. These have a neutral. So these have a these are not a hydraulic clutch. They just have a cable, and that essentially just activates the clutch. It's very simple. Hydraulic brakes. Now they should still have pressure in it, which it does, which is good. Now none of the lights are actually currently working. I'll put my foot on the clutch just to make sure because it is in neutral. and we'll see if it starts up or at least wants to crank. Probably a good idea to also put on the choke. A couple pumps of a pedal. Well, at the moment it doesn't want to start, as I don't think it's also delivering fuel too easily, because last time I started I did pour fuel down into the carby to get it to start, so I'll also be replacing all that anyway, so we'll get into it later. But yeah, essentially this is my K20, and yeah, should be good. I should probably also mention that I also am slightly considering putting a 4H in it with a turbo, and also everything that goes with it. If I decide to go down that conversion, I'll also be taking you along that journey, but for now I'm thinking I'm just going to get this motor running well and have a bit of fun with a carby, tinkering around with it, teach myself a few new things, seeing as I have never worked on a carby before. But yeah, cheers for watching.